Hello amigos, welcome to Factaholic channel. In this video, we are going to see about Jhansi Rani. Lakshmi Bai, the Rani of Jhansi, 19 November 1828 to 18 June 1858, was an Indian queen of the Maratha princely state of Jhansi in North India, currently present in Jhansi district in Uttar Pradesh, India. She was one of the leading figures of the Indian Revolution of 1857 and became a symbol of resistance to the British Raj for Indian nationalists. Now let us see the early life. Rani Lakshmi Bai was born on 19 November 1828 in the town of Varanasi into a Marathi Karde Brahmin family. She was named Maraniki Tambe and was nicknamed Manu. Her father was Moranak Tambe and her mother Bhagirathi Spar. Her parents came from Maharashtra. Her mother died when she was 4 years old. Her father was the commander of the War of Kaleprant. Her father worked for Peshwa Baji Rao II of Bitur district. The Peshwa called her Chabili, which means playful. Now let us see the fight of Gwalior. The leaders, the Rani of Jhansi, Tatia Top, the Nawab of Banda, and Rao Sahib fled once more. They came to Gwalior and joined the Indian forces who now held the city. Maharaj Snind having fled to Agra from the battlefield at Moror. They moved on the Gwalior, intending to occupy the strategic Gwalior fort, and the rebel forces occupied the city without opposition. The rebels proclaimed Nana Sahib as Peshwa of a revived Maratha dominant with Rao Sahib and his governor Subedar in Gwalior. Now let us see the beginning of rebellion. On 19 May 1857, the Indian rebellion started in Meerut when news of fighting reached Jhansi. The Rani asked the British political officer, Captain Alexander Sken, for permission to raise a body of armed men of her own protection. Sken agreed to this. The city was relatively calm in the midst of regional unrest, but the Rani conducted a Haldi Kukum ceremony with pomp in front of all the women of Jhansi to provide assurance to her subjects. In the summer of 1857, and to convince them that the British were cowards and not to be afraid of them. Now let us see the death of Jhansi Rani. On 17 June, in Kota Ki Sarai near the Fulbagh of Gwalior, a squadron of the 8th King's Royal Irish Hussars under Captain Haines found the large Indian force commanded by Rani Lakshmi Bai, who was trying to leave the area. The 8th Hussars charged into Indian force, slaughtering 5,000 Indian soldiers, including any Indian over the age of 16. They took 2 guns and continued the charge right through the Pulbagh encampment. In this engagement, according to the eyewitness account, Rani Lakshmi Bai put on a Savar's uniform and attacked one of the hussars. She was unhorsed and also wounded, probably by the sabre, and killed.